In this video, you will be guided through the process of replacing an ABS-wheeled speed sensor on 2007 Toyota Camry. The ABS wheel speed sensor is positioned near the brake rotors on the wheel hubs. Use the scan tool and specification to determine the exact ABS sensor that need to replace. In this case, the left front wheel speed sensor will be replaced. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Begin by removing the sensor. Use a jack to lift the front left wheel and support the vehicle on a jack stand. Remove the nuts from the front wheel and remove front wheel. Then, remove the left-hand front wheel opening extension pad. Remove the front fender liner. Use pliers to disconnect the sensor connector and clamp. Remove the two bolts securing the body and the shock absorber assembly. Detach the two claws connecting the steering knuckle and body. Finally, remove the bolt securing the sensor and remove the front speed sensor. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection and electrical check of the sensor. Examine the physical condition of the sensor. Check the sensor's surface for any cracks, dents, chip-off, scratches, or damage to the connector or wire harness. Turn the digital multimeter to the circuit off to discharge the capacitor before taking any resistance reading. Then turn the digital multimeter dial to resistance or ohm mode. Insert the black test lead into the COM jack and insert the red lead into the V omega jack. Place the probe leads on the ABS sensor pins and read the value displayed. Per the specification, the resistance value should be 1.4 to 1.8 kilo ohm, between negative and positive, and 10 kilo ohm or higher with negative or positive and ground. Finish by installing the sensor. Use soft cloths to clean the mounting area. Remove any dirt, debris, or rust that may interfere with the sensor. Align the sensor with the mounting hole on the wheel hub assembly. Carefully insert the sensor into the mounting hole, ensuring it is properly seated. Use a torque impact wrench to install and tighten the two mounting bolts that secure the sensor. Tighten the bolts to 5 Nm for bolt A and 19 Nm for bolt B. Do not over-tighten or the sensor may be damaged. Reconnect the electrical connectors and clamp. Install the front fender liner. And remove front wheel opening extension pad left hand. Finally, use a torque impact wrench with tightened torque set at 103 Nm to install the left front wheel. That concludes the complete procedure for replacing an ABS wheel speed sensor on 2007 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching.